Did you know that AI technologies like ChatGPT can help boost productivity by up to 40%? Imagine what that could mean for your income. So, you're probably wondering, can ChatGPT 01 really make me money? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. ChatGPT 01 is an incredibly powerful tool that's gained massive popularity in recent months. It's capable of generating human-like text, answering questions, and even creating entire articles from scratch. But can it really help you generate income? The potential is certainly there. With its ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data, ChatGPT 01 can help automate tasks, generate new ideas, and even create high-quality content. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty of how it can make you money, let's set the stage by discussing the current state of making money online. Many people struggle to turn their online endeavors into profitable ventures. They lack the knowledge, tools, or effective strategies to succeed in the competitive online marketplace. They might have a great idea, but they don't know how to execute it. Others might have the skills, but they don't know what to create or how to market it. And then there are those who simply don't have the time or resources to dedicate to building a successful online business. If you're one of these people, you're not alone. Making money online can be tough, especially when you're just starting out. You might feel overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information available online. You might be struggling to find a profitable niche or to create content that resonates with your audience. You might be wasting time and resources on strategies that simply don't work. There are many obstacles that can stand in your way, from the lack of technical expertise to the fear of failure. You might be scared to invest time and money into an idea that might not pan out. You might be worried that you're not good enough or that you're not experienced enough. You might be struggling to stay motivated and focused on your goals. Regardless of your challenges, the fact remains that making money online is a skill that can be learned. It requires dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn from your mistakes. But what if you had a tool that could help you overcome some of these challenges? A tool that could help you generate ideas, create high-quality content, and automate tasks. That's where ChatGPT 01 comes in. This powerful AI tool can help you overcome some of the most common obstacles that stand in the way of making money online. With its ability to generate human-like text, ChatGPT 01 can help you create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. It can help you generate ideas for new products, services, or business models. It can even help you automate tasks, freeing up more time for you to focus on the things that matter most. One of the most significant benefits of ChatGPT 01 is its ability to help you create content at scale. Whether you're a blogger, a YouTuber, or a social media influencer, content is key to your success. But creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience can be a time-consuming process. ChatGPT 01 can help you automate this process, generating content that's engaging, informative, and optimized for search engines. ChatGPT 01 can also help you generate ideas for new business models or products. By analyzing vast amounts of data, it can identify trends, patterns, and opportunities that you might have missed. It can even help you create entire business plans, complete with market analysis, competitor research, and financial projections. But ChatGPT 01's capabilities don't stop there. It can also help you automate tasks, freeing up more time for you to focus on the things that matter most. Whether it's responding to customer inquiries, scheduling social media posts, or generating reports, ChatGPT 01 can help you streamline your workflow and increase your productivity. Of course, one of the most significant benefits of ChatGPT 01 is its ability to help you generate income. By automating tasks, creating high-quality content, and generating new ideas, you can increase your earnings and build a more sustainable online business. But don't just take my word for it. There are countless success stories of people who have used ChatGPT 01 to create profitable ventures. From affiliate marketers to e-commerce store owners, ChatGPT 01 has helped people from all walks of life generate income online. One such success story is that of John, a young entrepreneur who used ChatGPT 01 to build a successful affiliate marketing business. John was struggling to find a profitable niche, but ChatGPT 01 helped him identify a hidden opportunity in the health and wellness space. With the help of ChatGPT 01, John created a series of high-quality blog posts, social media content, and even an email marketing campaign. Within months, John's affiliate marketing business was generating a 5-figure income. John's success story is just one example of how ChatGPT o1 can help you overcome the challenges of making money online. By leveraging its capabilities, you can create a more sustainable and profitable online business. So, what's the takeaway from all of this? ChatGPT o1 is an incredibly powerful tool that can help you overcome some of the most common obstacles that stand in the way of making money online. By automating tasks, generating high-quality content, and identifying new opportunities, you can increase your earnings and build a more sustainable online business. In conclusion, ChatGPT o1 is a game changer for anyone looking to make money online. It's a tool that can help you overcome the challenges of creating high-quality content, generating new ideas, and automating tasks. So, what are you waiting for? Take action today and start leveraging the power of ChatGPT o1 to boost your income. Have you had any success with AI tools like ChatGPT o1? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about maximizing your earnings using technology, check out our video on the top online business models of the year.